Y'all doing all right? Man, I'm in here quarantined. I just got done recording a podcast episode. You see, I'm here in my little studio, and I don't even know what to say. I basically, this is a part of the process. That's what it is. This is a part of the process. I'm up here. I got the podcast episode. I'm doing everything myself. I got a message that I want to get out there. I'm when I'm working, I'm a little bit too busy to sit down and like I can't have no coach. Like so I have to learn on the fly. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just learning on the fly. Like I'm willing to mess up and do different things that may not be the right way to do it. Like I don't know no right way to do things because like my life has not been a traditional way. So I just go with things how they are. I can't. There's no. I don't think there's no right or wrong way. Do you want to be successful or do you not? I want to be successful, but I never really had the time to just sit and plan things out or burn my. They say burn the ships and you'll take the island. I ain't never been able to do that. Like I want to go all in on my dreams. I want to be a speaker. I want to be a life coach. I want to have these online courses, but it has to be a transition for me because shoot, I got to survive still. And I know there's a lot of things that like people don't really tell you about success, and they want you to go all in on your dreams and do all these different things, and I'm like, man, that don't, like, with the circumstances that I've been in, that don't sound right. Like I know you ain't supposed, like I said, you got to burn the ships and you'll take the island, but that don't sound fun to me really. Like I'm going all in on my dreams, but there has to be a transition from me going from my full time job and all these other not all these, the group fitness and to going into life coaching and making money that way. Like I have to have multiple streams of income. And I was talking to one of my friends today, and I'm like, dude, there has to be like some type of transition that goes on when people are going after their dreams. Like you don't just burn your ships when you don't have to burn your ships. It's like you can still go all in on your dreams and um still be, what is it? Like you can still have a regular job. Like you can still be comfortable. Like I that's what I need to do. I still need to be like I ain't never been comfortable in one single job. So I had to have multiple jobs to I have to be an educator and I have to teach group fitness and I do Ubering. So I like ain't no just one job ever just cash me out to where like I know that being a life coach, like I can help people. I can help people in a tremendous way, but getting to that point to where the money is coming in like regular a regular paycheck, you got to get to that point. Like I got to see some success first, like for the transition to happen, and that's what most people don't get. And when we coming into this, we about to go through a real tough time. And I was thinking about that today because I've been thinking about it a lot since we've been on lockdown for shoot how many, like 3 weeks. We're going on 4 weeks now. We've been on lockdown, and I've been thinking about like when I graduated with my master's degree in 2009. In 2009, we was in the middle of a Great Recession. So the Great Recession was from at least 2007 to 2010, and there was 8.7 million jobs lost across the United States. I'm up here coming out of my graduate studies, graduated, and I'm expecting the world to be at my fingertips, not knowing that I was just putting in work, and I wasn't thinking about what the economy was doing, and I had got my graduate assistant position. I think because the economy did collapse, and the college that Missouri Valley, the college that I went to, was trying to cut back on spending, and they opened up these graduate assistant positions because they didn't have to spend as much money for those positions. So we about to go through another recession. It looked like that's what they saying on the news, and I don't watch a lot of news, but I like there's other people talking about how many jobs was lost, and they up at the 10 millions. Like I even lost my group fitness job, which is a part of the transition. You want to be, you want to have something that if something happens, you got to have multiple streams of income. That's what I was talking to my friend about this morning. I was like, we got to have multiple streams of income. If you had a job and you lost that job in this pandemic, you definitely need to look at multiple streams of income, because you don't want to have your livelihood depend on just one source of income, because that can be taken away from you at any given time. Because if I was because just less than a year ago I was Uber driving and teaching group fitness classes. That was all the money that I was coming in. It's two separate sources of income. There's two streams of income. But if I was doing that right now and I didn't seek another job that was a salary position and things like that, like I would be out of a job, and I might have caught coronavirus. I don't know if like I stopped Ubering. Like I can still do Uber on the side, but I stopped Ubering once I heard that people was getting the that Rona, and I was like, man, I ain't about to, I ain't about to put my life in jeopardy, or my family's life in jeopardy, just so I can get a few dollars out there Ubering. But just over like less than a year ago, I was out there Ubering every single day. That was my main source of income. For 3.5 years, I was Ubering, and thankfully, like I was always looking for a position that was in the direction of what I wanted to do. So I wanted to get back into the schools, into the public school system, so I could learn. And that's my main goal, is to learn from what they're doing, so I can add value to those students and to those kids that come from a similar background as me. And that that's basically what it is, man. Like you gotta have, if you out of a job right now, you gotta start thinking of ways you can have that multiple streams of income. I don't know how that. I just use my, I wouldn't even say talents, but they skills. My skills are like, I learned to do group fitness. Like I ain't I ain't no dancer. My main group fitness class is Zumba, and I ain't no dancer. Like if you would have saw me 10 years ago, you would have never thought that I'd be a group fitness instructor, and you would have never thought that I would be teaching the dance class, because I couldn't even dance. But I learned how to um, do those things. Like I didn't start out teaching, but I was basically learning when I started taking group fitness classes. So you know, you gotta look for multiple streams of income. We about to go through it. This is the Work Hard movement. I'm here to help. So let's go. You know, follow me at Work Hard Movement. I will talk to you soon.